Hello childrens, welcome to Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 7 problem set 25 how to do the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, here it applies as B stands for bracket. First you need to solve whatever numbers are there in the bracket, then of multiplication means, for example, if it is in a fraction form, so we will be solving this type. Then comes D for division, then multiplication, addition, and S for subtraction. So this is the BODMAS rule. You have to keep this in mind. So let's start with solving practice set 25, question number 1. We will see the first question. 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Now how we will solve this? First we will check whether brackets are there. No. Whether fraction numbers are there. No. Next comes D for division. So division sum is over here, but 5 divided by 2 is little difficult. It will come in point. So we will first solve the multiplication, that is 50 into 5 will give you the answer 250. How come 2? 50 multiplied by 5 will give you the answer 250. How come 250? 5 5s is 25 and 1 0. Understanding? Now rest whatever is there we will write divided by 2 plus 24. Now in this first we will do the division part, that is 250 divided by 2. It comes the answer as 125 plus 24, whatever is remaining. So your answer will be 149. Understanding, students? Now let's see the second question. Second question is 13 multiplied by 4, this is in bracket, divided by 2 minus 26. So first we have to solve the bracket, B for bracket. So this is in bracket, so 13 4s is 52. We have solved the bracket, so no need to put the bracket. Now write the rest remaining numbers. 52 divided by 2 minus 26. Now in this division and subtraction is there. So first we will solve the division part. 52 divided by 2 comes as 26 minus whatever is remaining 26. 26 minus 26 will give you the answer as 0. Understanding, children? Let's see the third question. So we'll see how to do this. First comes a bracket. So we will see how to do the whatever the numbers are there in the bracket. So we will start solving. 140 divided by, now in this the first operation comes as division. So we will do this division. Simultaneously we can do this multiplication also. Understanding, children? Now the square bracket will be there. 11 3s are, you have to do 11 3s are is 33. Now coming for the sign, minus and minus, same signs, it will become plus. Understanding? Here one subtraction, minus. Now you have to do the division of minus 42 divided by 14. 14 3s are is 42. Understanding? 3. Now it will come the answer as minus 3. So we will put it in the bracket. The two signs cannot be together. So it will come in the bracket. So this operation is completed. Now rest here is minus 1. Understanding, children? Now we will solve this. 140 divided by, here you have plus 33, minus will become plus 3 minus 1. Understanding? Now addition sums comes first. So 140 divided by plus 33 will give you the answer 36. 36 minus 1 will give you the answer as 35. Now all the brackets and all the addition and subtraction has been done. Now we will solve. 140 divided by 35 will give you the answer 4. Understanding, children? Any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. Also you can revise the previous topics of addition and subtraction. I will share the link in the description box. Now we will see the fourth question. See the fourth question. Here so many brackets are there, the square brackets, the round brackets and the curved bracket. So let's see how to do this. Whatever is there inside the brackets, we will solve first that. Here the question is 220 minus 140. Give you the answer as 80. So this bracket, this round bracket is removed, only the curved bracket is there. So we will put the curved bracket plus here whatever is there inside the bracket we will solve. 10 into 9 will give you the answer as 90. Now here two signs are there, so be careful. We will put the plus sign. Minus 2 into 5 will give you the answer as minus 10. Understanding? Curved bracket minus 100. Understanding, children? Now next, here two signs are there together, so we will separate that first. 80 plus 90 plus and minus will become minus 10. The curved bracket is remaining and minus 100. Now as per BODMAS rule, the addition terms comes first. So 80 plus 90 is 170 minus 10 minus 100. So 170 minus 10 will give you the answer as 160, and 160 minus 100 will give you the answer as 60. It's a complicated sum but easy to understand, and if you keep on practicing you will find it easy. Fine students, only the last sum is there. We will do that last sum also. So let's see how to solve this. First we will write 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8. Now this division will become multiplication. We have learned the multiplicative inverse. So the numbers will get inversed. 4 will come up and 6 will come down. Understanding, children? Now according to BODMAS rule, whether addition or multiplication comes first, multiplication comes first. So we will solve this multiplication part first. We will see whether any of the number it goes in the table, like 3 and 6. They have combinations. So 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Understanding, children? Same way for 4 also. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. Now our terms have reduced. We will write 3 upon 5 plus, now it is multiplication, you can multiply directly. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 twos are is 4. Understanding? Now only the addition part is remaining, but the terms are not, but the denominators are not same, so we will cross multiply. Like we will multiply this 4 here and this 5 this side. Understanding, children? So 3 fours will become 12 plus 5 ones will become 5 upon 5 fours is 20. So your answer is 17 upon 20. Hope you have understood the concept for 25, practice at 25. I have already done with problems at 23 and 24. Do check for that videos also. And like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.